5:15 to 59.
Marvel not at this, for the hour is coming, in the which all that are in the graves shall hear his voice, and shall come forth, they that have done good unto the resurrection of life, and they that have done evil unto the resurrection of sin.
So, ano man, ano gitawag ko? How many resurrection by the way? There are two resurrections. Right? There will be two resurrections. Ang first resurrection, that is for the righteous. And the second resurrection is for those who are not. So that's why we know that. Ay, kabala kay soon kay, hindi na maapil sa unang pagkabanhaw na ikaduhang pagkabanhaw. Is it right? Well, that's right. However, the second resurrection is for those who go to destruction. Okay, another one. The Bible says about the locust. The book of Revelation, in Revelation chapter 1, chapter 9, verses 1 to 10, nag-iskuntin mga locust na nanggawas gikan sa bottomless pit, nanggawas ang aso, din perting naghahan ng locust. The Bible doesn't say about locust. But in Joel, chapter 1, verses 4 to 6, and chapter 2, verses 2, 3, and 5, nasa page 782 sa inyong book. Mag-isip kayo makita ng Joel kayo. Gamay na siya. Masaya Joel Amos o Baday Joel na mga naman. 782 sa yung Bible. Joel chapter 1, 4, 6 to chapter 2, verses 2 to 5. Kung saan yung locust, di pasabot. What the locust mean? 1, Francis.